Welcome to our exploration of the 15-minute city concept, a revolutionary urban planning idea aiming to reshape how we live and interact with our environments. In this video, we'll dissect the promise of sustainability that comes with these compact cities, while also addressing the economic implications, potential social benefits, and the challenges they may present. Additionally, we'll delve into technological integration and global case studies to gauge how this vision is shaping urban life worldwide. Join us as we navigate the fine line between an innovative future and the potential risks that could transform it into a dystopian reality. 1. Understanding the 15-minute city concept. The 15-minute city concept revolves around the idea that all essential services such as work, shopping, education, and healthcare should be accessible within a 15-minute walk or bike ride from home. This approach aims to reduce reliance on cars, thereby decreasing traffic congestion and pollution. The core of this model is to foster community interaction and a higher quality of life. By focusing on proximity, the 15-minute city seeks to create self-sufficient neighborhoods where everything one needs is within reach. 2. The promise of sustainability. One of the most appealing aspects of the 15-minute city is its potential to significantly reduce carbon emissions. By minimizing the need for long commutes, cities can cut down on transportation-related pollution. This approach aligns with global efforts to combat climate change and promote sustainability. In addition to environmental benefits, the model encourages walking and cycling, contributing to healthier lifestyles. The emphasis on green spaces and local amenities also means that cities can become more resilient to environmental changes. 3. Economic implications. The economic impact of 15-minute cities is multifaceted. On one hand, local businesses could thrive as residents are encouraged to shop locally. This could lead to a resurgence in small, independent shops and eateries. On the other hand, the transition to such a model could require significant investment in infrastructure and urban redesign. This could pose a financial challenge for cities with limited budgets. Additionally, the changes might disrupt existing business models and could lead to economic disparities if not managed carefully. 4. Potential social benefit. Socially, 15-minute cities could foster a stronger sense of community. With more people staying within their local area, community bonds could be strengthened. This could lead to increased civic engagement and participation in local governance. The design encourages public spaces and social interactions, reducing feelings of isolation often experienced in sprawling urban environments. Moreover, accessibility to essential services can enhance social equity by ensuring everyone, regardless of income or mobility, has access to what they need. 5. Challenges and concerns. Despite its benefits, the 15-minute city concept is not without challenges. One major concern is the potential for increased urban density, which could lead to overcrowding. Critics argue that such a model might also limit personal freedom by restricting where people can live, work, and socialize. There is also the risk of creating urban silos, where neighborhoods become isolated from one another. Furthermore, the success of this model heavily relies on effective urban planning and governance, which are not always guaranteed. 6. Technological integration. Technology plays a crucial role in the development of 15-minute cities. Smart city technologies can enhance connectivity and service delivery, making urban living more efficient. For example, digital platforms can help residents find and access local services easily. However, the reliance on technology raises questions about data privacy and security. There is a need for robust policies to protect citizens' information while leveraging technology to improve urban life. 7. Global examples and case studies. Cities like Paris and Melbourne have already started implementing the 15-minute city model with promising results. Paris, under the leadership of Mayor Anne Hidalgo, has transformed many of its streets into pedestrian-friendly zones. Melbourne's urban planning strategies include creating more local hubs with essential services. These examples show that while the model is challenging to implement, it is not impossible. However, each city has unique characteristics, and what works in one may not be applicable in another. 8. Public perception and acceptance. The success of the 15-minute city model largely depends on public acceptance. While some people welcome the idea of more walkable, sustainable neighborhoods, others fear the loss of personal freedom and mobility. It is crucial for policymakers to engage with communities and address their concerns. Transparency and public participation in the planning process can help build trust and ensure that the changes meet the needs and desires of residents. Public campaigns and educational programs can also play a vital role in shifting perceptions and encouraging acceptance.